Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful morning today in Hyderabad, and this is your Vivek from Dreamers Live. Today's project, which I'm going to cover, is Beverly Hills, which has pretty much taken up a decent shape. Beverly Hills, that's a project which was supposed to be delivered in the month of June, July of 2025. As we all know, Prestige Group has been ahead of schedule on this particular project, and likewise we do for others as well. So this particular project, we were supposed to hand it over in the month of June, but now we are in Jan, 7th of Jan, and I will help you see how the property looks like. I'm 100% sure all the customers who bought it starting at like just 6,000 today really understand how the property has appreciated in just mere 2.5 years and how the property looks like. So I really hope you enjoy this particular video. And yes, I would say, in case you are like anyone else who's watching this particular video and they're thinking whether it is the right time to invest or not in Hyderabad, as I always say, it's never too late. Hyderabad, future of Hyderabad is really good due to the cost of living, infrastructure, the new companies that are coming and the developments that are there. Don't think twice. People who took a decision 2 years ago today are very happy. You have a lot of companies, third parties who are helping customers to choose the right properties, like the channel partners who are there, the marketing sales teams who are there for different companies who give their best to help you decide which is the best property to buy. Please take the advice and invest. That's the only thing I will say. Today, if you invest, I'm 100% sure after 2 years you would really be happy with the decision. Don't go with the videos which talk about the negative, which share negative reviews or say market is going to crash. That has not happened in Hyderabad for the last 15 years. And I don't know why we still believe that the market, there would be a correction and all. Till the time people are moving into Hyderabad from different cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, you are seeing, I'm sure you are seeing people in your neighborhood who are, people coming from different cities. So till the time we will have these people coming into Hyderabad, there will be demand, and the property prices will appreciate and you'll get better returns. Don't think no one will buy. People are buying. I would talk about a developer who has actually, the team has done an amazing job. They have launched the project in Neopolis and they are selling at 13,000 rupees per SFT, which is not an easy task, and I really appreciate the kind of response Hyderabad team of that particular developer has done a great job, because the number that they have achieved is not easy. So what I'm trying to indirectly say is there is demand in the market. They are selling a product which is 4 to 5 crores, and there are people who are buying. Irrespective, whatever is your budget, I'm not saying someone who's looking at 4 crores or 5 crores, it's ideal to invest. You have developers who are selling for even 1 crore. My only suggestion is, today is the time you should invest. So don't delay your decision. I'll not give too much of gyan. I really hope you enjoy my video today. I just was suggesting that you should invest whatever you like. Only request is go for a reputed developer, someone who has delivered good projects and someone who has got all the approvals in place, especially RERA. Don't go for the OTPs that are there in the market. Don't go for projects where you are promised a lot of things but nothing is given in writing. So I hope you keep investing and you make loads of money. Thank you so much for your time. Let's go and watch the project Beverly Hills, which is always, as I said, it's my favorite. It is really come out well. So thank you so much for your time. I'll again catch up with you at the end of this video. And as I always say, keep investing. Nothing is gonna go bad. Thank you. What an amazing beauty this is. She's beautiful. I think just a few more months and this property would be handed over to you all, where you will be making loads and loads of memories with your family, your kids, amazing set of neighbors, enjoying this beautiful ambience. All this thing is so nicely done. It gives a rich class, the feel. Yeah, everything is really, really nice. And this is the beauty. Still, some works are pending, and I think few more months and it should be all done. But yeah, it's shaping up very nicely. So I hope you did like today's video. In some more time, I would like cover even Claremont. So once again, thank you so much. Please do refer your friends if in case they are looking for properties in Hyderabad. We'll be glad to assist. Take care.